Hi everybody, I'm Susie Dingle. I'm a gardener and writer, and for the last year I've had this YouTube channel which has been wonderful. I've posted every week and I've exceeded my own expectations. Mostly always gardening content or flowers in there as well. So what I'm doing now is posting on Saturdays instead of Fridays. So this was a reminder to set your times for Saturdays if you look forward to watching this kind of content. Now, I do want to say that it is content, but for me it's content, that it makes me very content to bring these videos to you. I think a lot about all of you and what you want and what you'd like to see. I've got a lot coming up this coming year in winter, and I'm going to be doing some types of films that are not necessarily just winter films, because I'm aware that some of my friends down in the southern hemisphere are going into summer right now. So I'm just going to mix it up a little bit, and I have a lot of back film that I'd like to bring out of some travels in amazing gardens where I've been to. Also very exciting is the expansion of my channel to what I'm going to call Whimsical Wednesdays. That's a wild card for me. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to be posting, but it will probably be something creative, because I do come from a creative family. It's an entertaining type of family, and I did study dancing and singing and such. So we'll see what happens there. I'll be doing reading, I'm sure, from my own work, but also some other books. And we'll be traveling around, cottagecore, anything. I absolutely love cottagecore. So about these Wednesday videos, probably the one that's the closest to it that I have done so far was the Woodsy Woodland Vintage Christmas porch I did last year, which was just a fantasy, and I was having fun playing around with the theme of a woodland porch. It was kind of theatrical. So if you watch that, you might get an idea of how I plan to have some fun on Wednesdays. Maybe it'll be just me, I don't know, a party of one, but that's okay. And one more thing about the Wednesdays, I will be likely reading stories for children, which is, I'll label that as child content. You have to do that. Now, it's intended for adults, really, and then you can pull in your kids and have some reading time. I love reading for kids, and because I write, and write to children specifically, that is near and dear to my heart. Well, we'll see what happens, but I will continue to do the gardening videos. If there's something specific you'd like to see, just, let me know. That's what the comment section is for, and I do read them, and I appreciate each and every one of you. I wish I could meet you all in person. I am a people person. I thrive on the connection, of developing information connection and just joy, shared joy connection. I think that's really great that we have more of that. We can never have enough of that. And if you're new here, I do have an introductory video and a lot of videos from the last year. Might be of interest to you. All right, well, thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to hearing from you, and hope that you have an amazing, wonderful rest of your day. Until next time, keep dreaming in the garden, and playing in the garden, and dancing in the garden, and singing in the garden, and digging around, and everything else we get to do in the garden. All right.